Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to try and fix this speaker. So let's get it on and see what it does. Put some music on. Okay, that sounds kind of pants, so let's turn that off. It sounds like it could be something to do with the amplifier. So I'm not going to film me undoing this because it's absolutely big and I just don't have the room. So all around the edge there's screws. So I'm just going to take it apart and I'll come back to the bench when I've got the amplifier out. So I'll see you guys shortly. Okay, so this is the amp. Off the bat, I can't see anything wrong with it really, but my guess would be these two capacitors, because I think that's what filters the sound that comes out. So I think I might try and replace them to see if that makes a difference. I can't really see any bulging apart from this one here has got like a tiny little bump just in this corner, but it's really small. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to discharge them and yeah, take it from there. So I'll just go get like a resistor or something. Okay, so I've not done this before, so I'm a little worried, but I've got my multimeter ready so that I can check voltage. Okay, I can't get the voltage to drop on this, so I'm going to be naughty and use a screwdriver. To get the solder to flow, so I put my temperature up to 400. I usually have it about 320, and that seemed to do the trick. So I'm just going to go and test it now, and I will come back if there's any issues. Okay, I'm re-recording this because I just realized I had no sound on that last video, so this is going to look a bit jumpy, so I apologize for that. But what I found is, let's see if I can pick it up. This resistor here should be 4.7 ohms. However, if I put it down and put my probes across it, we get a direct short. So I need to get another one of these ordered, and hopefully that should fix the issue. Fingers crossed, because if it doesn't, I don't know what it is. So I need to go get one of those ordered because I don't have one. So I'll see you guys once I have the part. Okay, so I am an absolute muppet, and I just realised that because that has such low ohms, it's going to trigger the continuity mode. So what I've done is I have switched over to ohms reading. Bear in mind this should be 4.7, and hopefully I don't make it ping off. You can see it's registering at probably around 5. It was 5.5, but it seems to be changing quite a bit. Let me turn it around. There we go. So I think it's out of tolerance anyway, so I am going to wait for the other half to come through. However, while we wait for that, there is also an issue with the case where all of these posts have broken off. So I need to glue them back on, and I'm going to use some of this stuff, which is it's an epoxy kind of putty. So we can get that going. I'll see if I can film it. If not, I'll just cut it out and we'll just concentrate on the electronic side of it. Okay, so I've got both halves. I need to mix them together for a few minutes until they're all one colour. It's quite hard to see because it's quite dark in here, so I apologise for lighting. Okay, so I've put that on. It will take about probably about 3-4 hours to dry, maybe more. So I'm just going to leave it like this, somewhere out of the way, and I guess we just wait for the resistor to turn up, and I'll see you guys when that happens. And they have arrived. So let's get these unpackaged and get these put in. It's in, finally. It took me a while. I was really struggling to get the solder to melt, and I was just having a few issues, but let's give it a test and we'll see if it's worked. Almost forgot to show you guys, these posts are now in solid thanks to that putty stuff that I'm using. And yeah, I'm just going to screw it all back together and then we'll come back. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, looks like we fixed the farting problem, which is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.